Hello friends, in my previous video I installed and configured Apache web server on Debian. In this video I'm going to show you how to install and configure self-signed certificate in Apache. SSL is useful for secure communication between users and web server. So it will be secure from hackers. Self-signed certificates are free to use, but do not use in the production environment where confidential data like credit card, PayPal information are used. In order to set up a SSL certificate, make sure OpenSSL is installed on your system. If it is not already installed, you can install it by the following commands. First, update your Linux system with this command. So I have already updated my Debian machine. I don't need to run this command. And then run this command to install OpenSSL on your machine. So as you see, I have already installed the latest version of OpenSSL on my Linux machine. So nothing is installed. So after you installed OpenSSL on your machine, then you can create self-signed certificate for your domain using the following command. First, I'm creating a directory for my certificates with this command. So the cert directory is created now. Now I can change the directory. Now I'm creating SSL certificates with this command. This command will create one SSL key file, bubble.local.key, and one certificate file, bubble.local.cert in the current directory. So since I'm in Germany, I enter here DE, state or province, just random false, city, I'm entering here Mainz, organization or company, network, and organization unit, I'm entering just here IT, and here you can enter your full qualified domain name. In my case, www.bubble.local. As email address, I'm entering admin at bubble.local. So let's check the certificates. I'm showing the directory cert. So we have here two certificates created, bubble.local.cert and bubble.local.key file. Now we have a self-signed SSL certificate in the key file. Next, we edit Apache SSL configuration file and Apache virtual host configuration. So let's do it. So now I'm opening my site configuration file. It is located under Apache directory files. I'm opening it with sudo. I'm using as editor nano. So I'm adding here a few lines. So SSL engine on to activate the SSL, and SSL certificate file. Try to enter here the correct path, otherwise your certificate will not work. And the key file. And here I'm entering port 443 for HTTPS. Save and close the file. Now I'm enabling the SSL module on Apache with this command. So the SSL module is enabled, and now I can restart the server. So before to restart the server, I'm checking the configuration file. To check the configuration file, simply run this command. Syntax okay, so it looks nice. We don't have any error in the configuration file, so now I can restart the Apache web server. So I'm checking the status. So the server is running, and now I'm opening the a web browser to check if the SSL encryption works. I'm entering here my domain name, https /bubble. So as you see, I got here a certificate warning. This is why I'm using self-signed certificate, and it is not and this certificate is not issued from a certificate authority, and I can just accept this certificate, and here it is. So let's check the certificate information. Here is all the details. You can see the information what I have entered during the creating certificate. So thanks for watching this video, and see you in the next video.